Hi, I'm a public folk artist known as Sidewalk Sam. For 40 years, I've traveled America, bringing a message of optimism into thousands of communities. Typically, everywhere I go, hundreds, even thousands of people work with me as we create a symbol that depicts a great outpouring of school pride. I come onto campuses across America and engage students in a high spirited, participatory event that supports an important campus activity or school cause. In a few hours, students join together and create a gorgeous giant symbol on the ground in the midst of a special campus celebration that raises everybody's spirit. It lasts for a day or for an entire semester. All kinds of related activities take place around it. Students and their families participate, spending a few moments as they pass by or staying for a whole event. Everyone remembers it years later. I want to do this on your campus in exciting new ways at an important time when you want to rally everyone together behind a school theme.